Hello, Wonder Friends. Welcome back to Wonderville Studios. For today's Father's Sunday, we have a special co-star. Come in, co-star. Today's co-star is Potato Chip Jimmy. That's right. The world-famous Potato Chip Jimmy, being operated by yours truly, Logan. All right, buddy, get up here. Let's talk about what we're going to do today. Today, we are going to have a lot of fun drawing something. He clearly has made himself laugh a lot.
We should draw Potato Chip Jimmy.
We're going to draw Potato Chip Jimmy. We're going to have a lot of fun drawing this little dude right here. Potato Chip Jimmy. We're going to have a good time drawing him. And, you know, speaking of good time, sit down, buddy. Let's talk a little bit about having a good time.
There we go.
So a lot of times when we sit down and draw stuff or we try to do something creative, we can get frustrated. It might not turn out the way that we want it, or sometimes we get frustrated in things in general, right?
Yes.
And a lot of times when you get frustrated, I think one good, easy thing to do is to have a good laugh, right? Because it kind of cures everything. Like, wear a monkey around your neck. Have fun. Don't take life so serious sometimes. And when things get tough and hard, just take a minute to just kind of laugh at yourself.
Yeah.
Right? And just have a good time. Because, you know, doing all this creative stuff, it is all just about kind of, you know, just changing your bad day into a good day and having a lot of fun in the process.
Yeah.
Right? Would you say so?
Yes.
You have
Fun is very fun.
Fun is very fun. That is today's motto. Fun is very fun.
Yes.
Nothing has been said truer than fun is very fun.
Yes.
And speaking of fun, we are going to have fun drawing Potato Chip Jimmy. So grab your paper, your markers, get ready to have a good time while we monkey around with Potato Chip Jimmy. Yeah! All right, Logan, I think for this one we probably should have our paper vertical. And then, is our co-star here? He sure is.
Yay!
He's excited to be here. Woo, 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 woo. Potato Chip Jimmy in the house. Look, he's doing the wave. All right, guys. So, Potato Chip Jimmy, would you like to stand for a portrait, senor? All right, we're gonna post him up right here on this pillar, so we can. He's gonna just be cropping in, like, with us a little bit, and that is cool. So, Potato Chip Jimmy is, first and foremost, I would say he's a monkey.
Yes.
Right? And if we look at how he's structured, he has, like right here, let's bring him down so you can see, he's got kind of like a square, a circle, another circle for a head, and then he's got these like little ears that are kind of like, if you look at them, they really kind of look like they're half circles, and then folded over, right? And then he's got, you see some circles here, and then he's got like a diamond-shaped nose, right? And then a mouth that runs across. So when you start to like learn how to draw things like this, what you're going to do is you're going to look for those easy things to be able to start to make them look like who they are. Does that make sense to you? Like, so we're going to make sure that we're going to start with, I think the easiest part would be to start with the outside of the head, and that would be a circle, right? So he's got this shape of like that. And we're going to stop it. Perfect. And then he has inside of that like another circle that's just a little smaller that I would say goes in just like this, right? Yeah. Or pretty close to. And then he has like a would you say it's like a square almost?
It's like a curved square.
Like a little bit of a rectangle shape, just like this. And inside of that, two little circles like that. And we should really clarify that we are not making a photograph portrait of Potato Chip Jimmy. We're doing our kind of version of Potato Chip Jimmy. Is that fair to say? We are not by any means fine artists that can do this awesome photorealistic stuff, right?
Yes.
Right. We're having fun coming up with our own character based off of Potato Chip Jimmy. And he has like this diamond shaped nose, and you can kind of get that by doing a little shape just like this and coloring in. And mine just took a turn for looking like a bear. I think before you put any noses or anything like that on there, he totally looks like a bear. And
Yeah.
again, he's got this like half circle. So like you can kind of just do like this with the ears. So this half circle, but then there's another little curve underneath, and we do that by just doing another little half circle underneath there. And he's got his, like if his mouth goes all the way around like so. I think it's important if we just draw some like little lines, because he's, after all, he is hairy. Right? And he's got that big like chest that we can kind of just do something like that. And another line that is just comes down just like that. That kind of gives us the body form, right? And he's got those long, crazy arms. So I think that I'm going to make his long, crazy arms go up like that for me. And then one more. And then it's mitten hands, and it comes around. It's like he just draw some noodles for his arms. Just have a good time drawing some noodles on his arms. And I think, I'm going to add a little bonus to mine, and I'm going to put a P on his chest, because like he's Potato Chip Jimmy.
Yes,
I like
he's a superhero.
Like he's a superhero, and he's like maybe he's flying through the air, and he's on a mission. He's a monkey on a mission, right?
Yes.
And then I'm just going to draw some legs strap down, so he's kind of coming off the page just like so. Perfect. And that is, I would say, our version of Potato Chip Jimmy. I think it's a fun way to come up with the creative characters, is to look at a stuffed animal and do a cartoon version of it. It doesn't have to look exactly like this character, because as you can see, if you started coloring this green, you maybe colored it black, or you painted it black, all of a sudden then it would look a lot like this character. And it doesn't have to be this exact thing. This is how you start to be creative and start to create your own characters when you want to start writing your own books, making all cartoons and all that good stuff like that.
Wait, we almost forgot. We need to sign it.
We got to sign it. You're right. So make sure you sign your name to the piece, so everybody knows who made this awesome piece of artwork.
We should also put the date.
We should also put the date. Let's put 2018. 2018 in the house. This was a fun exercise to do something based off of just a stuffed animal.
Yeah.
Right? And thank you, Potato Chip Jimmy, for being our co-star. Five him. Yep, right?
Kicked you.
He did kick me. So you know what? I really mean it. What is nice about this is that we make something that is special to us and is unique to us, and that I still think that's the coolest thing in the world, is that you are uniquely you, and you make your version of this stuff every time we do this drawings, and that's fun. Potato Jimmy is trying to slide it off the table to ease off the transition of not being the star anymore. So that's all we got today, guys. Until we see you next time, be the weird
You want to see in the world.
That's right. See ya!
See ya.
Hey Wonder Friends, thanks for drawing with us. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We upload new videos all the time. Now with the help of your parents, we'd love to see your drawings. So make sure you have them uploaded to Facebook or Twitter. They can find us at Wonderville Studios. We would love to see what your drawings and your creativity and your uniqueness come to life. And until we see you, be nice and inspire others. See ya!